What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Pips and Points. I'm your host, Jono. I want to give a special shout out to all my Piptonites, my subscribers. Thank you very much for hanging with me. I appreciate you all. Okay, I want to say a big shout out to all the new guys coming over to watch me for the very first time. Welcome to my channel. Hopefully, you're going to learn some awesome stuff that's going to help you, obviously, collect as many pips as possible in the coming days and weeks. All right. And yeah, so, and if you do subscribe, you know what that makes you? That makes you a Piptonite. You're part of the Piptonite family, and you'll be getting videos pretty much every single day where I'll be analyzing the NAS100 as our primary asset that we look at, and also I may look at other additional currency pairs also, such as the Euro USD or even GBP, JPY. It just depends on what I'm looking into. Alright, so now that we're here, I want to say I want to start off obviously looking at this analysis to see what we've done this week. So yesterday I took a trade, and that trade was profitable. Okay, I was closed out with a trailing stop, and yesterday night I was thinking about putting in a trade, but I never did. And even now, I still have no trade open, so I haven't actually jumped into the market at all. And this is what we've got going on right now in the market in regards to where the price is. So price currently is at 1461, and it's bouncing around there at the moment. And at the moment, I'm still not sure exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. But there is a couple of things that I've spotted today that I think could help us overall in even our decision for the daily, because the pullback that I was looking for the day, we did get it, right? So this is the pullback right here, but I don't know why I didn't jump in. Literally, I don't know why. I think I got distracted with my day-to-day, right? So it even went below. It came all the way down, went all the way below, and now it's back up here. So I'm definitely not even trying to even grab this right now, because it's going to be dancing around here. And I believe on a shorter time frame, I've actually seen a structure, and I'm going to explain what I've seen, and then you guys can look at that and let me know if what I've seen seems to be accurate. Okay, so overall, this is what we got going on right now. All right, so let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this one over here. And let's add this in there. Okay, so this is how this particular shape actually looks, right? Where current price is, this is how it actually looks. So this is the structure that we've got going on right now. Okay, at the same time that is happening, so just bear me a moment whilst I have a look through, because we're really gonna examine this thing to see what we've got going on. So let's get rid of this for now, because this is an important level, but we don't need to look at that now. We'll come back to that later. We'll come back to that level later. Okay. So let's go to the hourly. So we're going to go to hourly right now. Kind of want to get a vibe as to what the hell is going on here. Okay, so this is what we got going on. Let me get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. And also, this too is another structure that we need to keep an eye on. Because this what I'm seeing here is a story that is yet to complete. Now, I'm not saying it's going to complete in the way that I believe. I'm not saying it's going to complete in the way that I think it's going to complete, but there's a good chance it could play it in that way. Okay, So what we're looking at right now is a structure within a structure within another structure, okay? And I'm going to show all of that right now. So let's get rid of this one over here, so we can kind of see exactly what this market is doing, right? So we need the second high to appear to figure out if this situation right here. So let me draw this in this way. So this situation where I've just put the X around, where I just put a little blue thing around, if this is going to be a rising wedge, in the sense that it is going to let me choose this. Okay, so in the sense that this too is going to begin to form a pattern, and it's going to bounce around and then probably break down again or break up. But whenever it's in this position, i.e. it's a rising wedge, it's a very good chance that it's going to break down instead of breaking up. Sometimes it breaks up, but a lot of the time it breaks down. That's one thing that I've noticed when it comes to rising wedges. All right. So this structure that I just done in blue is something that is not really there yet, but we're waiting to see if that's what forms. But what we do know that is there at the moment right now is that we have this shape. So we got this, right? Price is over there. There's a very good chance that price could go up, reach this level, and then break the structure and make his way down here. And if it does make his way down here, it does make sense because this too is the bottom. Okay, so it does make sense. So 1390 and 1373 are areas that we could get a visit should it go up and pull back down into this area before finally, and that's if it breaks there, because it could break now actually, head to the upside. And once it clears this level, okay, we know that we're heading to create a new higher high. So once this level here is broken, which is 1529, then we know we're heading for a new higher high right about. So I don't know if that's what it's going to do, but that's what it looks like to me, right? And this little move, I literally could have taken this move today if I really wanted to, but I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know if I was distracted. If I was distracted, literally I was distracted. I'm not even going to turn on and say I don't know if I was distracted. I absolutely was distracted, and I don't know why. Like, because sometimes you just get bubble guts in the markets. Literally, you see a situation and you don't take it because you're like, oh, I don't know, it's not, yeah, I don't know, and then you don't do it. That's what happened, and I had it. I had it. There was no reason for me not to take it, so I didn't take it. So today I've done absolutely nothing in the markets, and I've seen tons and tons and tons of opportunity. Where it's heading up to now is a place that I hate, because I hate selling it down, and I don't think I'm actually going to be doing anything until I get it down here somewhere, and I don't even know if it's actually going to come back to this level. I don't know if it's going to come back to this level. I really don't know. I hope it does, but I don't know if it's actually going to come back to this level. If it does, that would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. At least I would want this to come to this level for the next 3 weeks, at least for the first and second week of March. If the NAS is around here, this is great. It's fantastic. I mean, I have ulterior motives as to why I want it here around that time, but if this breaks down here and it takes another 3 weeks for it to get down here, then I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy, but I don't know if it's gonna do that or not. I really don't. I really don't. Yeah, so this is what I think at the moment for the NAS one. Yeah, this is what I think for the moment for the NAS right now. So at the moment, I don't think this structure is going to break on this attempt. I don't think it's going to break at all. I think it's going to pull back down again, right? It's going to pull back down again, and I think it's going to do another try at this level. It's going to test this level one more time before it makes its push to the upside. So, but and like I said earlier as well, the correction is over because this is confirmed. This move over here is what confirmed the correction has ended, in my opinion. Okay, others might have a different opinion to me. Fair play to that. But in my opinion, that's what I think. I think correction ended with this one over here, and with this structure that I'm now seeing, I don't see it breaking down. To be fair, I just see it completing its cycle, which is going to go up, then push back down here again, and then maybe go up, and yeah, and just push up, So you push up, rest somewhere down here somewhere, and then really push up to the upside. We might get it up to this level. It will give us like a little double top. We might see a little pull back down around this area again, and then it could then obviously really try to aim to get to the upside. But these are things that we're going to find out in the coming days and weeks. All right, so guys, once again, I want to thank you very much for coming over and watching another episode of Pips and Points. Do not forget to subscribe, become a pip tonight, hit the subscribe button. If you find the content useful, it costs you nothing to hit the like button. Google likes it, so just hit the like button for us. I appreciate you doing that. And if there's anything you want to talk about, or you just want to discuss, you just want to encourage me, be vocal. Drop something into the comment box. Say something. I definitely appreciate you for doing that. All right. So yeah, so I want to thank you for coming over and watching another episode. I appreciate you all. You have yourself an awesome evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. And I aim to see you all again, or talk to you all again tomorrow, the 17th of February, where we're going to be talking more pips and more points. And the focus is going to be what it always has been, and what it most likely always will be, the NAS100. So till then, this is Jono signing out.